English by Screen, Lesson 1.
A story. The animals and the well. One day in January, in the middle of the dry season, there was lack of food and water in the country. So, all the animals were thirsty. Bakame was also very thirsty. The animals tried to go to the river, but there wasn't any water in it. Lion, who was the king of the bush, called a big meeting of all the animals. While they were gathered, the king of the forest asked the animals to think about something to do so that they could have water. At the end of the 3 days meeting, the animals decided to cut and to sell their eels in order to get some money. But at the same moment, Hare didn't have an agreement with the animals. He didn't want to sell his eels. Hare was very proud of his long beautiful eels. That's why he refused to cut them off. Actually, what were the animals going to do with the money? How were they going to get some water to drink? After selling eels, the animals used the money that they had got to buy horse, and they started digging the well at once. Within a period of 1 week, the well was already finished. It was very deep, and there was a lot of and clean water in that well. Lion was too pleased, and he thanked the animals very much for the important action they accepted to do. Now, what about Bakame? Did the animals serve him? Did they give him water? Remember that Hare refused to cut off his eels. He didn't help the animals dig either. While the animals were digging the well, Hare was sitting in his house and he was looking at his long beautiful eels. But there is something important to say. On one hand, Hare didn't cut and didn't sell his ears. But on the other hand, he didn't want to die of thirst either. Then, how did the Hare find water to drink? Would he accept to die of thirst? I think that every night, Hare used to go to the well and he would hide behind the bush in order to rob some water from the well, because he was not able to live without water.